First and foremost, Dan Snyder is an absolute piece of shit human being. Cancel culture finally caught up with him, and the Washington Redskins have to change their name, which people have been wanting to do for a couple years now. Now, I get it. 9 out of 10 Native Americans have said, I have no problem with the name. The name's been around since 1933. There's nothing wrong with it, Babs. That's not the point. Dan, if this happens to anybody, it's got to happen to Dan Snyder. He deserves to have this team name changed under his belt, and he deserves to have to pay every single dollar out of his pocket to do it. Now, not just the name changes coming out, but there's a lot of things happening in the organization that's coming to light. Cheerleaders getting abused, media members are getting sexually assaulted by members of the front office in exchange for media information and leaks. But more importantly, that I see detrimental to the entire league is that a little nugget of information came out that Dan Snyder paid up to $2 million to referees to help them with calls during the games. Now, someone ended up messaging Adam Schefter and told him, well, it obviously didn't help us if we were doing it, as a satire joke. But think about this. These are billionaire owners. What's a couple $1 million to them or a couple $100,000? It's a drop in the bucket. These referees don't get paid that much. When the NBA has already gone through their cheating scandal with the referees of Tim Donaghy, let's see what ends up happening with the NFL. The NFL does not need this right now. The NFLPA and the NFL are already butting heads. We don't know what's going to happen with COVID taking over the season. But imagine you found out that the Kansas City Chiefs owner was paying off the referees to help them win a Super Bowl. All these years where they kept saying the Patriots are cheaters. Maybe this finally comes to light and Kraft was doing something. Maybe Jerry Jones was doing something with the Dallas Cowboys. We don't know. But the NFL should be scared shitless right now. If Dan Snyder gets taken down, he's going to make sure he takes down every single one around them. The Washington Post was supposed to come out with this big story, but then they scaled back a little bit. Lawyers got involved. We don't know what's out there yet. We can only speculate. But the NFL should be on watch. The fans should be on watch. And don't be surprised if we have a cheating scandal on our hands within the next year.
I'll get you, my pretty, and your little dog, too.